100 foods to eat before you die. I've been traveling and eating all around the world, and here are the 100 foods you need to eat before you die. And these are in no particular order, so add them to your food bucket list. Number 18, West Fortune Street Fish Market. This is West Fortune Seafood. We got live blue crab here, and it's something you gotta get when you're in Tampa. This is it right here. Can I get an order of this?
That's jumbo.
That's jumbo? I want jumbo. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, tray of jumbo blue crabs. Look at these ginormous sea candies. Massive claws, beautiful tender meat, steamed and covered in seasoning, mainly garlic and butter. As soon as I got close to this tray, you smell the garlic, you smell the butter. How good does that look? Crack it open, exposing all that delicate white sweet meat of the crab. Dip it in that butter garlic sauce, and I swear, when I took that bite, my food-loving soul left my body for a little bit. This is amazing. First of all, it's live blue crab, so you know it's gonna be fresh. Each morsel of meat is just unbelievably sweet. And when you dip it in that butter garlic sauce, the flavor is just intensified without covering up any of that beautiful sweetness of the crab. This might be the best blue crab I've had anywhere. You could also get the spicy, which I wish for some of these I did, just so I could taste the different flavors, but I really just wanted the original. The butter garlic sauce. Oh my goodness, I am being blown away right now. I mean, fresh blue crab on its own, already excellent. But the way they made this, accompanied by the sauce, even looking at this full tray of about 5 pounds of crab, just made me wish I had 2 more trays of these. This is absolutely amazing, amazing crab. And if you like shellfish, I would 100% recommend coming here and trying this out. The only thing I wish is they kept the miso and the tamale. I would have loved to have some of that stuff, but this crab, its seasoning and sauce combo is absolutely gonna blow you away. So if you're around Tampa, highly recommend coming here, get some of that.